Hello and welcome to this video. I will share with you step by step how to apply a trip promo codes. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for trip, click on this result and then log in your accounts. Select any trip you want to receive or book. For example, this one. Click on this one and then scroll down. You will see the ticket option and then you will see book option. Click on the book. When you click on this book option, just await to loading this page. From here, scroll down, friends, click on promo codes, enter this promo codes. Don't use the promo codes, just enter your promo codes, for example, this one, and then click apply. As you can see here, friends, after that, choose the pay option. This is how you can do to apply for a promo codes. I hope this guide helpful for you. You can use Google to get promo codes. As you can see here, promo and then click on this result. Just copy these promo codes and then you can copy this one and then paste here. So I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this